What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. This is the BasedKing, and today I got another one for y'all, another POV. Today's a windy day. As you can see, trees blowing, my car is shaking, the winds are strong. The original plan today was I was gonna wash my car, get some content, but because of the wind, I ain't gonna wash it. It's just gonna blow dust right back onto my car. I'm just gonna be mobbing around the town. I'm gonna go run some errands. I'm gonna go deliver some tables that I picked up. And also, do y'all like Pokemon? Do you guys like the Pokemon TCGs? Do you guys trade them? Do you guys invest in them? Because if so, that's something I'm getting into. And look what I have for y'all. Bam! Y'all see it? We got the Destined Rivals Elite Trainer bot. Now, I don't know if any of you fuck with that. That's like a hobby I'm trying to get into now. Let me know what y'all think. I can get content on it. I can get clips for it. Trust me, this is not a Pokemon card TCG channel. This is a POV channel. Just anything car related, car maintenance, car repairs, cutting up, anything car related is this channel. But I'm just saying, if any of you are fans of that and if you like to invest, I can incorporate it in my videos, a POV pack opening. But if not, let me know. Don't say anything, and I probably won't add it unless y'all want me to. All right, how y'all been? It's been a minute. Let's get 20 likes on this video. Come on, let's hit 20 likes. Road to 1,000. We're on the way. We're at about 620 or 619 subscribers from when I last checked. We're still moving every day. Thank you for all of you that support me. I read the comments. You know, y'all are amazing. Thank you for supporting my channel. We got someone from Saudi Arabia. I read your comment. That's just so dope that you have your own SRT out there. It's insane to me that you landed on my channel and are watching my vids. Like, I appreciate you. Let's like the video, y'all. Subscribe if you have not already, because I have more on the way as usual. At 1,000 subscribers, I am releasing stickers. They're gonna look dope. I don't want to reveal what they look like yet. Also, the SRT, if y'all want to know, is running smoothly. No leaks, no issues. It's been great. More upgrades to it are coming soon. I'm not really doing, if y'all are new to the channel, I'm not gonna really do any engine modifications to get more power. I love the power it has already. I love how it sounds already. The only thing I'm gonna do is oil catch can, cold air intake, probably the Mopar one, and then suspension upgrades, making sure my suspension is locked in, dialed in, perfect. I realized I rewatch my videos and I don't do enough like pulls for y'all or car sound. I feel bad because I feel like it's kind of boring, just me cruising it. I don't know, y'all let me know. Look, we got an STI. Let's see if it makes some sound. So I try getting like some pulls in here for y'all. Trust me, today's a beautiful day. Just cruising around is like really nice right now. All right, y'all, I'm gonna make my first stop right now here at this plaza. I'll pick the camera up once I'm dipping back on the road. Also, y'all, check it. Look what I parked by. Clean ass STI on some gram lights, I believe. All right, y'all, I'm back on the road. Just got done with the first errand. It's just one more thing I gotta do. All right, y'all, I just want to say, like, right now it's been kind of, let me get a pull in. I know it's like summertime, and I was telling y'all like I'm gonna be going to a lot more meets, but I just been going through a lot of personal things. It's just like mental things, mentally just not feeling motivated, or mentally just, you know, not being fully there. So it's hard to record a video and make a good video when I'm just not mentally okay. That could be dangerous, you know, driving this car and I'm not gonna be talking. I'm gonna be just quiet, and I don't want to give y'all like boring videos. I'm doing a lot better. I'm out here now. I'm trying to be myself again, like how I used to when I was making videos for y'all. I was very amped up. We're back now. Just bear with me on back to it. Trying to make more videos. Let's like the video. Let's keep it going. I got more driving on the way. This is just the beginning of the video. Like I said, I don't even have the head mount on. So I'm going to be going and mobbing around right now after this last drop off. It is hot outside. I love it. I can wear shorts. I don't have to wear hoodies anymore. As y'all can see, it's honestly the fucking best. Y'all probably see like a straight road. Why doesn't he pull? It's because there's bumps and potholes all over this road. by the time the potholes are done, it's already my turn. All right, y'all, I'm here at my next spot. I'm gonna park up. I'll pick up the camera once I'm dipping, and I'll have the head mount on, and we'll go for an actual POV drive. All right, I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, y'all, I'm back on the road. As y'all can see, gloves are on, mount is on, and we're in full POV. So right now, I'm just gonna hit the main road and do some driving, y'all. Hopefully y'all fuck with the content. Let's like the video. 20 likes on the video, y'all. Gotta be careful because it's summertime, kids are out. It's really weird. I turned on the fan because I'm hot, y'all. So just so you know, if you guys hear that little noise. Also, y'all, I don't know if y'all noticed, I got a new mount for my Cobra. It's an actual like premium mount sold by Cobra. Oh, and I love it. I got the gauges for y'all because I know some of you like to see what's going on with my car. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the ride. Very dusty. I don't know if y'all can see up ahead, but I can see all that dust. This town is located in what would be called like a desert. Oh, look at this Charger, y'all. Clean, all red Charger. Alright, looks like we're catching up cars, so I'm gonna do a pull for you already. Like the video, y'all. I got polls for y'all all day long. If you just go back and watch my other videos, you'll see for yourself. Oh, let me know in the comments down below, y'all. Do y'all like no talking videos more than like when I'm talking? Because I realize my no talking videos, they're hit or miss. They either do really well or they don't do good at all. Let me know what y'all think down below. I like doing no talking videos because I'm just driving and focused on the road and about getting good clips, getting good pulls, maneuvering correctly. I like talking because I like talking about what's going on, you know, in the channel's life, in my life. I like asking y'all questions because some of y'all do answer, and I appreciate each and every one of you. In the near future, I think I'm gonna be taking my car to a city. I don't know, just because the city has the worst traffic, the worst drivers, and the worst roads. It is known as Portland. So if y'all been to Portland, let me know. Also, if you have a dope whip and you're out there in Portland, hit me up, we can link. I don't want to take this car. Someone told me not to take it just because exactly those reasons I gave. Also, people like to break into cars out there. I don't really want to take my daily out there, and I don't want to ask anyone I don't want to borrow anyone's car. I feel like it'd be good content for one, it'd be fun for two, and it's for a good reason. I'm going out there. I'm going out there for my father, my dad. He has to get surgery on his eye, so I have to take him. He definitely cannot drive, especially after. But I do worry about my car. You know, I'm worried about break-ins or anything, because people see cars like this, and especially Dodge Charger, and they think they can. Oh, that's an easy lick, you know. Look at all this beautiful land as well, y'all. I've recorded this in another video and I've said the same dream of mine. I have like to have a lot of land like this and be out here. Suburbs are cool, but I really want like something out here. I feel like living in a suburb, it feels like you're a robot. Like look at these cows, y'all. Beautiful. Like I want some cows that I can go take care of and tend. But my dream would be like, if I do own land like this and animals, I want to be able to make money from it. Because what's the point of owning a lot of land or like a farm or like a ranch or something like that, but having to leave to a city or somewhere else to work to afford it? Because then you're never home or you're never there. You're having someone else tend them for you. What's the point of having it all, you know? This is one of my favorite roads to pull on. It's smooth. It's an open road. Not a lot of cars come on this road. I'm about to get Farm Simulator, y'all, to know what to kind of get an idea of what this feels like. Like, look at this house. Look, horses, beautiful horses. I hope y'all are liking the videos. I hope y'all are liking me cruise through my town, chilling, driving. You know, it may be a windy day, but that's not gonna stop us. We've driven through the wind, the rain. Also, one thing I want to say, y'all, I don't know if I said it in another video, I'm pretty sure I did, but I'm happy Dodge announced that they're discontinuing that electric charger. So let's clap for that. And they're continuing V8s, the Hemi engine. So that means more Hellcats, more Scat Packs, more chargers. They listened to all our cries and they answered. The reason I'm happy about that is because I'm not really a fan of electric cars. You know, the only car I would own is like a Tesla model, I think it's Model Y or Model X, it's the one with the wing doors. And that would just be like a strict daily, like if I had a family, easy car. But I just want to say that if y'all didn't know, now that they're going to be continuing with the Chargers, V8s and stuff like that, it gives me hope that maybe one day I can own my own Hellcat or whatever comes in the future. A lot of people are saying they should really remake the SRT8, redo it, make the body style kind of similar but dope. Because I feel like with these new body styles of cars, they're making them like rounded, futuristic, and it doesn't look good. Like the new Charger that they did, the electric one, it looks ugly in my opinion. They don't even have the Dodge logo on it. It's a triangle. I forgot what it means. There's like a name to it, but I wasn't a fan of it. It doesn't look nice. It looks like, I don't know, it looks like a car from Saints Row 4 if y'all ever played that. And you know, I'm not really a fan. I just feel like they should really take this SRT8 right before they went into the new generation and really look at this car and be like, okay, interior wise, we can revive things about it. You know, make it newer, make it less plastic, like, and the exterior, there's not much they gotta do. I feel like they can make a really dope SRT8 again. I also heard that they are probably planning on bringing back the SRT4, which is also dope. That's something I would want to get into. Like, I've always liked the neons, the Dodge neons, so for them to bring that back, if they do, that would be really dope. And I bet they can make it look so dope. I love my Charger though. Hopefully they bring it back. We don't need more Hellcat engines and supercharged, which is dope, and they're awesome, and I love it, and I want one so bad, and I would want to get one. I do. That's honestly like in my parking lot, in my driveway, dream is to have a wide body Hellcat out there, murdered out. Super dream. I love this car, and if they revamped it, that'd be dope too. So I hope y'all are excited too, because more is on the way. Gotta be careful. There's families out here. I want to pull, but I always gotta be careful. Alright, y'all, last pull for y'all. Alright, y'all, with that, I'm gonna conclude this video. You know, nice little drive through the town, through those long roads. Nothing crazy, just my usual POV. I hope y'all fuck with the video. Like I said, if y'all wanna see Pokemon card unboxing, let me know down in the comments. I am gonna record that, but I'm not gonna incorporate it to this video. So just let me know down below in the comments if y'all do wanna see stuff like that. I can upload it as a short or something. I'm just gonna end the video here. I'm gonna go back this way, get a thumbnail. Let's hit 20 likes on this video. I love y'all, thank y'all for everything. Subscribe if you have not already. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. It's gonna be great, y'all, once we hit it. Stickers are on the way. Once I do hit 1,000 subscribers, we got stickers for y'all. And I will be upgrading to a GoPro finally. But yeah, beautiful day. More on the way. And I love y'all. Hope you have a good day. Peace.